Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Today we're talking about Evangelist Omotoso. It's the breaking news of this morning, this Saturday morning, and I'm happy to share with you that there has been a rearrest. I don't know why. Let's check because I'm seeing this making the rounds on social media. Here is something that was posted by Sowetan Live. Breaking. Pastor Omotoso rearrested on immigration violation charges. Recently acquitted Nigerian televangelist Pastor Timothy Omotoso has been rearrested. Police Commissioner Jen Fani Masemula said Omotoso was arrested on Saturday morning and the charges relate to the violation of the Immigration Act. Members of Department of Home Affairs and police arrested Omotoso. He will surely appear in court on Monday and everybody will know what charges he's facing. But it is immigration-related matters, said Masemula. Masemula said the department will elaborate more on the charges in due course. Omotoso and his co-accused Lusanda Sulani and Zukiswa Sito were arrested in April 2017 and were facing charges including rape, sexual assault, and human trafficking, allegedly committed in the Eastern Cape, where Omotoso led a church in Gqeberha. After a lengthy trial, the Gqeberha High Court acquitted the accused last month. In her ruling, the High Court Judge Ima Skuman said the state had failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. In my view, the explanations of the accused are improbable and I don't subjectively believe them. So that's what's happening right now in South Africa. And what are they saying in the other one? Algoa News, Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso arrested in East London. Controversial Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso was arrested early on Saturday in East London on charges related to the Immigration Act. National Police Commissioner General Fani Masemula says members of the Department of Home Affairs, Immigration, Inspectorate, and South African Police Services arrested Omotoso at around 5 a.m. following a church service. He says he will be facing charges related to the violation of the Immigration Act and will appear in court on Monday. The Department of Home Affairs is expected to issue a statement on Saturday. There is something that we know that happens in South Africa, right? They will arrest you for something else while they are busy with something else on your name. We've seen this on the Senzo Meyiwa case. We've seen this on the AKA case. Those are one of the public cases. But right now, chances are, I don't want to speculate or be excited too much yet, because I'm one of those people that do not understand how can Omotoso be not found guilty of any of the charges relating to the raping of young women, of children in South Africa, which was very, very, very wrong. We're not happy as the country. But hey, here we are. We are dealing with it the way it is delivered to us. Well, the other people were commenting there. Let me read comments. I saw this initially on Facebook under MDN ne 1 hour ago they broke the news, and that's where I initially saw it. Ne? So these were the comment of the people there. Thank God, I hope this time justice will be served, because the people didn't know what exactly he was arrested for. And then someone else votes. And also those prosecutor, judges, and IO must be brought into book. And I was laughing at this comment because I was like, but we don't know yet why he is arrested. And then someone else said, thank God the justice system of this country sometimes gives us a reason to pose them as at a no confidence motion. And then someone was like, I thought he was deported. He's full of himself. He was like, I am going nowhere. Look now, for sticking into the same country that he was doing. He did not even go. Did he go to visit his family in Nigeria? What did he go? Did he even left the country? Look now, he doesn't know South Africa. He doesn't know. Maybe he thinks this is his playground. And then someone says he didn't pay off the magistrate the balance he promised. People are so mean. Who said the magistrate has been paid? The judge must be arrested to pay for what? He said, nah, I don't find any. It's not the judge that ruled the case. It's the magistrate who did not do well enough. So the judge didn't do anything. He listened to what he was, because sometimes people get scot free on cases because of what the state did or did not do sometimes. And then someone says, I wish it could be handled by private prosecution. They had dead living prosecutors with no skills at all. West, it's investigators. They like inchoncho than doing their job. And then this time he won't go scot-free. And someone says he must expose that judge who let him go for free because he took. Hi, guys, these people, I don't think the judge has anything to do. I don't know. And then someone was like, I just want to enjoy Nedbank final before he leaves Mzansi. Very selfish man for himself and in front of God. Someone said that he was supposed to return home than parading himself in SA. Good move by the state. Yes. Why was he still here? What did he think? Did he think this is Nigeria? He can do as he please. Why? Why did he stick around? Look now, he's gone. Does he know South Africans? He thinks he's gonna get away scot-free. No, he's not one of us. He's really not one of us. So he can't think that things are going to go. So, and then people on Twitter, I want to see Batini. Autoli. I want people, like, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot. It's a lot that is going on. I want to see what people are saying on Twitter. Okay, the ENCA breaking news: Nigerian televangelist Timothy Omothos has been arrested. The pastor was recently acquitted. Okay, breaking. That's what they are saying. All these news house. Steve, please say something and do something for victims of Omotoso. Mm. Now he is. Why was he in East London? Like, why? Why? People are not happy. He loves the drama, this one. He loves the flippant drama. Look now. Okay, the National Commissioner even gave a speech this morning regarding the situation. So if it's something that is known from head to toe, Ikona, something is cooking, something is really cooking, and this one did not see that one coming. Chances are. But then again, this is South Africa, guys. This is South Africa, our country. Siyathanda ukenza Popeye ke lana. Siyathanda ukenza Popeye. But we will see where is this going to go. We will see, because he's been rearrested now after being acquitted of 32 charges of human trafficking, raping, sexual assault just last month. Like, a lot is going on, guys. Yay! Yay! We will see. We will see. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because in my mind, what is lingering is that South African police can arrest you. They can arrest you for this while they are busy investigating something else. What if they are arresting him for this immigration laws situation? That time they are still busy with the other thing that South Africans are not happy about. What if? And then he, instead of getting out of jail and run home, he does what? He sticks around. Does he think this is his mother's backyard? Yo, yo. Anyway, what are your thoughts, guys? Let's talk in comment section. I want to hear your views. How are you feeling about him being rearrested? What are your thoughts? Do you think, because personally, I believe there is more to these current charges than meets the eye. What are you thinking? Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Please make sure you watch the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting this channel with everything that you've got. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.